to perform the digital electronics practical virtually. So for performing this digital electronics practical, we are using the vlab.co.in, this virtual lab website. This lab was developed by MHRD, Government of India. So once you open this vlab.co.in website, then like these are the window will open. Okay, in this website, now scroll downside, see the electronics and communication, click on that, then again scroll, then two labs we can require for the digital, these two. This one is developed by the IIT Roorkee and this one is your IIT Hyderabad. So click on the first one. Okay, so like these are the open, then we see that the introductions are there. Okay, then objectives to learn and understand basic concept of digital electronics, then list of the practicals are. Okay, so these are the list is given. Okay, so we are not having such type of same list, we are having a different list, but in some part is there, for example the full adder. Okay, so what we have to do, we'll perform the different practicals, like these are the 1 2 3 4 5 practicals. Okay, so now we'll move for the, for example, like this one, to study and verify half and full subtractor. So click on this one, then their aim is visualized. Okay, then read this one, then theory part, this is total theory we have to read. Okay, before performing the practical we have to read the theory. Okay, full subtractor theory, like this one. Afterwards we can move for simple pre-test assess. Okay, so simple questions are asked. Okay, we can read it and select the appropriate answer. Then next is your procedure, how to perform the practical. Okay, so in our practical we are interested in the full subtractor. Okay, this part, so procedure are given, so read the procedure, then move for the simulations. Okay, so in simulation, like these are the website, this will be open, then we are interested in the full subtractor, so click on the full subtractor. Okay, up to here though there is no problem, you just clicking the what are the your requirements. Afterwards, now read the instruction, this instruction. Okay, so here is the connect the plus 5 volt supply to the IC. Okay, means like this one you can press. Okay, means on, if like this one the position, then it is off. Okay, and after adding the add button, click on the add button to different truth table. Okay, so they will be displaying the different outputs. So these are the ICs are used. Okay, and see here is XOR gate, NOT gate, AND gate, OR gate. Okay, so these are the connection make by referring the diagram. Okay, so by referring the theory diagram of the we can set the full subtractors. Okay, so see the full subtractor, with the full subtractor, these are the diagram. Okay, so XOR gate, NOT gate, AND gate and OR gate. Okay, so see the connections and variables how they can use, refer this one, and according to that we have to make the connections. Okay, so for each IC, very important point is each IC should be required the VCC and ground. Okay, VCC and ground. So for 7486040832 14 number pin is VCC, so all pins are connected like this one. Okay, here there is no need to connect anywhere, the connection is already made, developed by the developers, software developer. We have to check only how they are made. Okay, and 7 number of each IC is connected to the ground. Okay, this is very first connection at a time of performing any practicals, hardware based practicals, right? Then we see the 3 inputs, right? A, B and borrow in. Okay, A, B and borrow in. See again the structures. Okay, so here A, B, here in the theory they are written X, Z, X, Y, Z, Z, X, Y, whatever it may be. Okay, so difference and borrow, two outputs. Okay, so Z, X and Y. So here is the different notation. We can use A, B, C, X, Y, Z, L, M, N, does not matter. Okay, so concept you should understood. Okay, so first we can keep as it is. For the another one, okay, or you can consider this xy means here we can consider as a AB, like this one, A and B, right? Then see this AB, output of AB connected to the another XOR gates, another XOR gate. See now output is what, this one, connected to the another XOR, so that's why it is connected to this one. Okay, so 1 2 input, 3 output, 4 5 input, 6 output, like this one, so connected to this one. Okay, then then uh, then we can see the output of that another XOR gate, that is act as difference. Okay, so see output of this one, okay, output this one, okay, it is act as your difference. We can scroll it and see these are the differentiality. Okay, so like this fashion we can check the all the what are the connections they made. Okay, so another variable is remaining borrow inside. So for another input, that z here act as, in simulation, act as borrow in. I repeat again, xy act as AB and another one act as borrow in. Okay, and afterwards what we have to do, make the check this all connection. Okay, there is no need to make the connection, we have to check. Then see the table of the full subtractor, all are 0 0 all 0. Okay, say difference and borrow LED should be off. See now for this one is on. Okay, first you can press here, see now it is on. Okay, A0 B0 C0, see condition A0 B0 C0, add it. Now see a input A0 B0. Okay, so difference is 0, borrow is 0. Okay, okay, their difference is 0 and borrow is 0. Okay, so these are the three inputs, all 0, and we'll see the both LED will be off. Now we'll check the another condition. Another condition we know that, so 0 0 B in. Okay, another third one is the B in, means borrow in, here is it. Okay, so it should be on. Then what is the condition? Okay, this one is on, add it. Okay, after that we see that both LED should be glow, difference as well as the borrow. Now see the our table, difference and borrow both will be on. Okay, so in this way we verified the truth table of the full subtractor. Okay, so these are very simple and very fantastic diagram, and these are very interesting, is developed by the government of India, MHRD. Okay, and very interesting. Now see in the second simulator part, if you click here, we are verifying your own logic. Means suppose we are entering the all A0 B0 B, this all 0. We know that their output is what, difference is 0 and borrow is 0. Okay, difference is 0 and borrow is 0, and you check it is really correct or not. Okay, verified, yes it is correct. So in this way we can check the difference diagrams according to the histogram. Okay, now third we can check again you can, if you set the value reset and it is 1 and 1, and we can see the 1 1 and 1 1 1 1. Okay, and after this one we can check again, you can enter the difference, and we know that the difference is 1 and borrow is 1, and after this one we can check it. Okay, we see that again the both will be correct. So in this way we can verify the different values, okay, or different structure of the diagram, and according to that we will verify. So these are your simulator 2. Okay, thank you. I hope you understood all the concept, and there is no problem.